If you want to keep your Telegram chats organized and separate your bots from your normal conversations, this video is going to help a lot. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to separate chats and bots on Telegram using chat folders on your PC. This is a super useful trick if your Telegram inbox is getting crowded and you want a cleaner, faster way to manage everything in one place. Before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner and click the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. This opens Telegram's main menu where you'll find all the important settings and features. From the menu, click Settings. Inside the settings page, look for the section called Folders or Chat Folders. This is the feature that allows you to organize your chats into custom tabs, so instead of seeing everything mixed together, you can sort messages exactly the way you want. Now click Create New Folder. Telegram will ask you to give your folder a name, so type something easy to remember, like bots. You can also name it something like Telegram bots, AI bots, or even work bots, depending on how you use your account. The goal is to make the folder easy to identify at a glance. After naming your folder, click Add Chats. This is where you choose which conversations belong in this tab. You can manually select the specific bots you want to include, which is great if you only want certain automated accounts in the folder. If Telegram gives you the option, you may also be able to use the automatic filter for bots, which will include bot conversations more quickly and save you time. Take a moment to review your selections carefully. If you add the wrong chat, you can remove it before finishing. Once everything looks good, click Create to save the folder, and that's it. Your new bots tab should now appear neatly at the top of your Telegram chat list. From here, you can click that tab anytime to instantly view only your bot chats, while your regular conversations stay separate in the main chat list. It's a simple change, but it makes Telegram much easier to use, especially if you rely on bots for alerts, automation, or productivity. If you want to make the setup even better, you can create more folders too. For example, you could make one folder for friends, one for work, and one just for bots. That way your Telegram desktop app stays clean, organized, and much faster to navigate. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.